What's up guys, welcome back. So today's video we're doing a really pretty purple spring kind of inspired look because we are in spring at the moment in Australia. This video was originally just going to be an Instagram video in collaboration with Ulla Henriksen, but I really liked the footage and I wanted to put it on YouTube as well. So it's going to be quite a lot of Ulla products in this video, but this isn't a sponsored video, it's just the original Instagram post that was. So you know, hopefully that makes sense for you guys. But first I'm going in with the Balance Toner from Ulla and I'm just spreading this all over my face, mainly concentrating on my breakout areas just with a little cotton round. And then I'm jumping in with the Banana Bright Eye Cream, which I love and I use every morning and night. As you can see, I have nearly run out of this. I've already gone through one tub before and I love it so much, but I'm just spreading this under my eyes and on my eyelids because you can use this over your entire eye, which I love. Then jumping in with the Truth Serum. This is a vitamin C serum, so it's just going to really brighten the skin. And I don't really know what else they do, but they feel nice, and I'm spreading it all over my face and all over my neck. And then I'm jumping in with the Sheer Transformation Moisturizer, which I love very much. I've already gone through one tub of this and this is my second. It's quite a big jar as well, and a little bit goes a long way. And it's just really lightweight and rubs in like really nicely, doesn't leave any residue on your skin. Really perfect for if you have oily skin like me, and especially if you're sensitive, because it doesn't irritate my skin at all. For foundation today, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix. This is the shade NC25. This does pull quite a little bit yellow on me, but you guys will see when I hold my arm up in a minute that it does match the rest of my body. I look a little bit like a carrot at first. It's nothing crazy though. And I'm just spreading it on my face with my Sigma F80 flat kabuki brush. You guys can use the code Kasey Rayton to get 10% off any brushes or makeup you want to get. Hashtag shameless plug, but you know, gotta do what you gotta do, get that money. That's an affiliate code, by the way, if you didn't get the joke. And then I went in with some concealer. This one is from Charlotte Tilbury. I can't remember the name of it, but I'll leave it down below. Some things I held up for product shots and other things I didn't because I was just getting Instagram footage. So I will list all the products I used down below for you guys. But then I went in with some MAC Strobe Cream. This one's in the shade Peach Light, and I just took that on my fingertips and I tapped it all over my face, focusing on the high points just to add a little bit of like moisture and glow back into the foundation because Studio Fix is quite a matte foundation. I then went in with some setting powder. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder as always, but I just forgot to hold up a little product shot because I didn't actually include this clip in the Instagram version. Hopefully you guys are picking up what I'm putting down, but I will leave it listed down below for you guys. And then I jumped in and I used my Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 3 just to stroke through my brow hairs, and then I did some little hair strokes with the Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade 4, and then I finished everything off with the Bravo Conditioning Primer, which I'm really loving at the moment for holding my brows in place. It's so nice. Jumping in now and doing the eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette, which is very new and I love it so much already. I really liked the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette when that came out, and this is very similar but just with like purple tones, and oh my god, I really love them. So first I went in with the shade Feels and I just blended that into the crease and on the outer corner of my eye just to create a little bit of a base and use it as our transition shade. And then I jumped in with the shade Bing, which is a lot more purple, and I started building that up on mainly the outer corner and just really smoking out this shade and building up the intensity. Those are basically the only two base eyeshadows that I used. So then I jumped back in with that Charlotte Tilbury concealer and I just did a little half kind of cut crease. I didn't want this to be too like sharp, so I'm just doing a really soft cut crease. And then I'm jumping in with the shade Hotspot, which is the lightest shade in the palette. Actually, is it Hotspot or Caution? I'm not sure. It's one of the two. Hotspot, there it is. That's what it is. And I'm just using that to set the concealer and spread all over the eyes. And then I jumped in with the shade Bang Bang. I didn't include a clip of this, but I basically just put this light shimmery champagne shade on the inner corner and then on my lids. Then jumping in with the Hourglass Caution Mascara. This is just what I had next to me and what I've been using lately. Really good mascara for lower lashes. I can't say for my top lashes because I have lash extensions. And then I'm jumping in with this Marc Jacobs bronzer that I cannot remember the name of, but I love it. So definitely check out the description box if you're interested in checking it out, because it's so beautiful. I just chiseled the crap out of my face with that. And then I jumped into blush, and I'm using MAC Melba, and I'm applying this all over my cheeks and kind of on my nose as well, just so we have a little bit of a natural flush look. And I thought this really complemented the eye look, like it wasn't too much. I then jumped in with a little bit of extra glow. Again, I didn't show this product, but it was just the Becca Opal highlight, and it, oh my god, orgasmic, look at it. Okay, my computer sounds like it's going to literally explode, so I'm going to try and wrap this up as quick as I can. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Cherry Scented Spray. Just using this to scent my face. Really like it, same as their other sprays, it's just cherry scented. And then I'm going in with a MAC lip scrub and just scrubbing off the dead skin on my lips because I keep picking at them. I'm absolutely terrible. And then I'm going in with one of my favorite lipsticks right now. This is the Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick in the shade WSM. Oh my god, I didn't realize how much I liked these. I hadn't worn one in such a long time, but they're so beautiful. They have like a really powdery matte finish, but they're not drying. Like, they're so comfortable to wear, and I find they don't really come off when I eat, and they're just absolutely fabulous. So that brings us to the conclusion of this makeup tutorial. I really hope that you guys liked this one. I promise I have chatty videos coming very soon for you. But yeah, in the meantime, subscribe, hit the notification button so you know anytime I'm uploading. Check out my Instagram if you haven't already, and thumbs up this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.